Hello, dear viewers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the mystical world of Aidan fruit for part 2 of our incredible series. In this video, I'll show you a unique way to use Aidan fruit and scent leaves to create a powerful love and protection spell that will keep your partner devoted to you and safeguard your home from harm. Here's what you'll need. Aidan fruit, just one will do. Scent leaf. Once you have these two ingredients, keep them in a safe place. Every morning when you wake up for the next 7 days, you'll need to urinate on them. After completing the 7 days, you have two options to finish the spell. Option 1. Pound the ingredients, sun-dry them, and pound them again to create a powder. Option 2. Burn the ingredients until they turn to ashes, then grind them into a fine powder. Next, you'll need a small key padlock. Mix the powder with either shea butter or groundnut oil. While doing this, call out the name of your partner 7 times and say anything you desire. Afterward, lock the padlock once and remove the main key. Now, place the locked padlock in your room for 3 days. After that, take it and either throw it into a big river or dig a hole on the road and bury it. According to those who have tried it, the person you've targeted will never think of leaving you, and they'll always do whatever you ask of them. Remember, always maintain a positive mindset and believe in the power of your intentions. Thank you all for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. Stay blessed and stay tuned for more incredible content.